Hey everybody, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with Stock Market Mentor and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Interactive Brokers? This is ticker IBKR. Now, I got a ton of lines here on IBKR. Let me walk you through them. You can see that IBKR, Interactive Brokers, has been in a long base of consolidation since the beginning of August. We had a bit of a breakdown here, came on high volume, not super high relative to this day here, but definitely some higher volume moves, pulling it back to that 21-day exponential period moving average. That's the blue line that I have here on the chart. Now, eventually, the 50-day moving average did catch up, and we got a push off the 50-day moving average on Thursday of last week. We had two pullback days, and then today, a nice bounce day off that 8-day exponential. So we have a bit of a breakout, but then also a retest, and now we're just kind of sitting right underneath some near-term resistance. And so I would definitely keep an eye on Interactive Brokers and look for a move above 66.20 coming on volume. Now that would push the stock above into this area here and ideally soak up any remaining supply from the pullback in August. Now you're going to want to watch for a strong close on the candle and ideally a close with volume soaking up any supply that may be remaining from this area here in early August. But this looks like a nice cup without a handle on IBKR, and it's one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at stockmarketmentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.